Hi, I'm Akanshya. In this video, we are going to be talking about tea tree oil. I think tea tree oil is one of the most commonly used and the most popular essential oils out of all that exist. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about its benefits, its side effects if any, and how you actually need to use it and why you need to use it. Tea tree oil was first extracted from Melaleuca alternifolia in Australia, and gradually this species became so commercially important that its plantation was carried out in a huge scale. It has a fresh camphoriferous odor to it, and its color can range from anywhere between yellow, pale yellow to completely colorless. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties, especially antibacterial properties, due to the component terpenes that is present in its composition. It acts as a natural antiseptic and antioxidant as well. It is claimed to be useful for treating dandruff, acne, lice, herpes, insect bites, scabies, fungal or bacterial infections as well. Tea tree oil is not an approved drug, but it is an approved complementary medicine for aromatherapy. However, the community on herbal medicinal products says that tea tree oil should not be used on children, people under the age of 12, as its safety is not established yet. Tea tree oil is highly toxic if ingested and should only be limited to topical use or use on the surface of the skin only. So you need to be careful that you do not apply it in your mouth or around your mouth. Tea tree oil is not a cosmetic product, it's not a daily use product, nor is it a skincare product. Treat it more like a medicine or like a treatment for certain skin conditions. Also, you need to keep in mind that tea tree oil that is sitting in your house for a very long period of time, like for years or months, should not be used, because if you do not know, pretty much like vitamin C, tea tree oil is also affected or is not stable under certain conditions like air, water or moisture and light. So it also oxidizes and its original components get changed and it becomes unfit for use. So you can actually get reactions to your skin by using an oxidized tea tree oil. So refrain from using one that is very old. Instead, just go and buy a newer one. And nowadays you can actually get a lot of tea tree oils that are pretty affordable and pocket friendly. And let me take a moment here to introduce you to Tegut Natural's tea tree oil. It is 100% pure essential oil. It is undiluted. The pack that I have contains 2 tea tree oil K bottles. Each of these are of 10 ml. This retails for just 398 rupees, but you can always get it on sale on Amazon or from their own website as well. Do make sure that you dilute it. And how you can dilute it, right? You can use any carrier oil like castor oil or coconut oil or mustard oil. Just take 12 drops of the carrier oil and put 2 drops of the tea tree essential oil. Mix it well and that's it. If you are having any issue that needs to be treated by using tea tree oil, use it, but do not make it your regular skincare product, because it is not. So I think that's all about this video. I just wanted to talk about tea tree oil because it is such a widely used essential oil, and I have seen a lot of people going wrong with tea tree oil because they actually do not know how to really use it and for how long you need to use it. So that was the reason why I came up with this video. I hope this video was of some help for you and you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanshya signing off. Bye.